Wasn't that an awesome lineup? Now it's time for a giveaway drop. This is open only to participants who submitted a custom car. All of your names are listed here. The winner is going to have their choice of either the 1 to 43 scale Barago or the 1 to 64 scale Siku, and I'll take the other one to the Goodwill store. Or you can say, Andrew, pay it forward, and I'll take them both to the Goodwill on your behalf. I found a random number picker online, so let's set it at 51 participants. Give the wheel a spin. Good luck, everybody. And it's landing on number 42. You know your number. Let's have a quick look back and see who the prize winner is. Congratulations, Eddie, from Simple Customs. I am delighted. Get in touch with me, brother, and let me know what your choice is. Hey guys, if you haven't already, please take a moment and edit your video title, or somewhere in the description, put the hashtag MLC Porsche 2 so you're on the playlist with all the other great uploads. Thanks so much for taking part this year. I hope you had great fun with it like I did. See you next year for Porsche 3. It's coffee time.